It's strange, isn't it? How someone who once made you smile just by walking into a room now haunts you in silence. In memories, you never asked to stay. Memories don't leave all at once. They fade like perfume on an old shirt, slowly, stubbornly. Delete their number, unfollow block, but you can't unfollow the mind. That takes inner work. Stop romanticizing the pain. They left. You didn't. Don't give your heartbreak a spotlight. The brain remembers because the heart still cares, but one must lead the other out. Write it down, not to send, just to release. The memory loses power when it's on paper. Replace their memory with a ritual. Meditate, run, paint, heal louder than you hurt. You don't need closure. You need clarity, that they weren't your forever, and that's okay. Remember this, the future doesn't wait for people stuck in the past. Every morning you survive without them is proof you are healing, even if it doesn't feel like it. They weren't your missing piece. They were just a chapter. You are the whole story. Memory is a trickster. It shows you the best of them, but hides how they broke you. Missing them doesn't mean you want them back. It means you miss who you were with them. Train your brain. When they pop up, shift the focus. Not why it ended, but what I learned. Someone will hold your heart better next time. Trust that, believe it. Healing is boring, quiet, slow, but necessary. And it's happening right now. You can miss someone and still be better off without them. These can both be true. Let the pain teach you, not trap you. Love doesn't always end in forever. Sometimes it ends in growth. You don't move on by forgetting. You move on by forgiving yourself, mostly. So when their memory shows up again, tell it this: I survived you, and I'm finally okay.